Chorus is brought to you by BirdLife South Africa and Guy Gibbon Bird Calls. Today's bird call is the Chorister Robin-Chat. This is the rich, melodious call of the Chorister Robin-Chat, usually singing from a concealed perch in forested habitat. Listen hard, and you may well hear the calls and songs of other birds, as the Chorister Robin-Chat is a renowned mimic, also imitating barking dogs, human whistles, car alarms, hooters and frogs. In the Western Cape, the best place to hear and see this species is along the garden route, in particular Nature's Valley. The Dawn Chorus was brought to you by BirdLife South Africa and Guy Gibbon Bird Calls. Today's bird call was the Chorister Robin-Chat.